Hi everyone, Daisy here with another layout for 30 days of sketches with Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. As you can see, I have a incredibly messy desk here. I thought I would just kind of show it as it lies. I just created this layout. I have to work tonight and I have to go to sleep at some point today. And I needed to get this layout done and I didn't record any of it. So I thought I would come on and just do a layout share for it. And yeah, so the sketch for today is this one. And I don't know if it's going to focus right because the light's all weird. But anyway, it's all kind of on this side with the title up at the top. It has some circles. I'm including this in the pizza slice or slice of pizza challenge over on the Paper Issues Facebook group. So let's just get started. So I have, you know, this main column and then my title over here like is in the sketch. I decided to add a diagonal like cut piece of paper back here, and I think everything I use is from Amy Tangerine except for these thickers and these little page flakes. I think everything else is from Amy Tangerine. From her new collection, Picnic in the Park. I did, funnily enough, have a comment asking if I was going to be using this collection more, and yes I am. Here it is. So I didn't get all of this collection. I did get like 4 or 5 pieces of paper. This is my favorite piece of paper right here. With the words on it, and then it's got diagonal stripes of rainbow. So I used that. I cut out 3 of these pie charts and then also the title, Learning from Home, but I chose not to use the from. And I forgot to dot the I. I lost the dot somewhere on my desk, so I was just gonna dot it. Oh, and I just wrote it my finger. Anyhow, so I started out, I knew I wanted to do a diagonal because I love this color blue. So I did the diagonal stripe here, and then I decided to continue with the kind of vertical thing that's going on in the sketch. I made my circles a little bit bigger than they are in the sketch, which is unusual for me since I don't like circles all that much, but I figured, hey, why not? This is the branding strip from the piece of paper. I cut one of these, the word paper strips, and then I cut this. This is actually the back side of this camera paper. I wanted to cut all the cameras apart, and then I really liked the back side because I had accidentally set it down on my page, and I liked the way it looked, so I just backed it with some white cardstock and then put it on top and popped it up a little bit to kind of give it a little bit of added like differentiation from the background. I backed each one of the cut files with the black and white word paper with some more of this paper with the diagonal rainbow, and then I pulled in a scrap that I had, let me see, of this Pink Fresh Studio, My Favorite Story. It's just a black stripe to fill in the last circle. I did end up covering a lot of the pie charts up, but I feel like you can see enough. So so after I got all that adhered down, I did my title in just black, and then I pulled in these rainbow, these are from a Paige Evans collection, and so I decided to use those. My dog's gonna bark here in a minute, just so you know. I cut apart some of these black cameras so I could include them in 3 places. I did 4 little flags because I wanted the different colors more. So I did Hello Monday, even though actually this might have been a Monday. Who knows? Who knows what day it is anymore? And then some of the die cuts. So this is a die cut. It's a sparkly circle. This is one of the die cuts. this is one of the die cuts, and then this is one of the die cuts. It just has like all of the days of the month. And now my other dog's chewing on her squeaky toy, so yeah. I stamped March, April, May because I'm pretty sure we're not going back to school this year, and put the year 2020 on here. The page flags, no, word flags, banners, whatever, are from Pretty Little Studio, and the colors were perfect, so I used those. This is covering up, so I have been babysitting our neighbor girl, and this is covering her face up. And then I just, instead of doing a doodly border, I decided to do my journaling around here. And it just says, I thought this was going to be more of a struggle, but you guys have really stepped up and taken this homeschooling seriously. You all are amazing. Great job. And the pictures are just of my son helping my daughter with some math, and then reading time for the girls. And yeah, it's just kind of the new normal here, learning from home. We have had the last week off for spring break, but Monday we're going right back at it. So yeah, I really like the way this layout turned out. It's fun, it's bright, it's vibrant. I really am enjoying it. So don't forget to head over and check out everybody else who's playing along. I will leave links down below for the 30 days of sketches. And then also don't forget to check out Paper Issues. You can use my code Daisie20 for 20% off your next purchase in the shop. She is still shipping. She still has a lot available. There's quite a bit of the Picnic in the Park still available, including the die cut pack, which is dumped out all over my desk here. They've beautiful little bits, so definitely head on over to Paper Issues and check that out, and then check out the Friends and Fans Facebook group for all of the challenges that are going on this month. And don't forget to join in, because you have a chance of winning I think it's a $10 gift certificate to the shop. So yeah, thank you to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider clicking that button or giving me a thumbs up or just something. And I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy and enjoying, you know, finding how to live through this new normal. So I will see you again tomorrow, and thanks for watching. Bye.